Yo, what's going on? My name is Chase. You're now tuning in to Chase YouTube channel, which showcases my life, the things I'm passionate about, what Arkansas has to offer. If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button so you can be a part of the driver squad. Make sure you like this video, because if you didn't know, once you like this video, you let everybody know on YouTube that this channel is valuable. Share this video with your friends and family members and let them know Chase is popping. Let's get into today's video.
Nah, for real. I pull up no star for real. I hop in the whip and take off, you know I'm on my.
Driver Squad, what's going on? Chase Way back with another video. Today's video, we have 5 unboxings to do. I'm gonna put it up on the screen for y'all. We got one unboxing. Well, we have a big unboxing. Let's try to do this. Let's try to put this all on the camera somehow. Oh. I thought we was gonna be able to do this, but we can't do it. So, yeah, so we got an unboxing to get into. I guess we can do the thumbnail like this. Come on, focus. It's looking for my face. Guess this is the best we gonna get it, you guys. Or yeah, I think that thumbnail will work. Alright, so I guess we just gonna let's start off with the small package. This is from Travis Scott. I have the Cactus Jack shaker cup. I forgot about that. Let's open up the package. This is from Supreme. I just got done eating some wings from going live. We were shopping for some stocks, and that video is uploaded. So this is the one tee that I bought during the Supreme week, and this is the Pitbull's tee in the size medium and navy. And then we got some stickers right here. Tomorrow we going live, and this is something that's gonna be raffled off. Put that over there. I kind of like the iguana tee, the Supreme sticker. See how it's kind of like give you that 3D effect? That's pretty dope. Let's see. Moving on. Now, because of what's going on, I kind of don't even want to be clearing my throat. You just be seeing weird. You don't want to be too weird, but you're just trying to be normal as possible. So shout out to Soul Street. Let me see if y'all can see that. Shout out to Soul Street, and what I mean by that is they go live Soul Street and What's on Your Feet. They be going live on Instagram. And I won these SBs. Y'all see these? I won these in the size 9. Dead stock. Haven't been worn or anything like that. And I'm gonna put a little clip so y'all can see what's been going on. What's about to take place tomorrow on Vacant Places. So we got a size 9. A size 9 right here. We got a size 9. They got a code and everything. And yeah, these, hold on, these are pretty nice. The leather is real good on them. These ain't too bad. Do these come with an extra set of laces? Nope, no extra set of laces or anything like that. These ain't too bad though. I like the colorway. Yeah, we're trying to bring more on Vacant Places. Right now our website is down, but you can check us out on our Instagram, and I'm gonna include that we going live. I think I showcased that earlier. Yeah, I'm gonna include that at the beginning. The next package. I just opened it from the bottom. I'm too afraid. I don't want to mess nothing up. But I included how the laws be taking place.
Appreciate you. I appreciate everybody attending the raffle. We brought y'all a big boy raffle. TMB Briss is downstairs. He's trying to get upstairs so he can start delivering these items.
Right, I'm gonna go let TMB Briss in.
But before you go,
figure out what size Chase
so you can tip the host.
Figure out what size Chase they want. I'm gonna put that.
I got you.
Tip the host.
Tip the host. I'm here.
And that was from a video a while back from winning some other shoes. These are some Jordans. Jordan 1s. I sold my pair and voila, I got a new pair. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna raffle these off. Shout out to Show Street again for the sticker. Let's see if that's gonna pick up. There we go. Shout out to Soul Street right there. Got a size 8. Dead stock. Dead stock. Dead stock. Whew. These are nice right here. Dead stock. If you don't warm, it's like the glitter will kind of pile up from the paper. But these are a good cop. But what we gonna do is just I'm gonna wipe them down, and then I'm gonna mail whoever wins. They win. They win. But I might keep them. I don't know yet. I don't really know yet. I got rid of mine, so I kind of want to keep them. You know. You know what I'm saying? I kind of want to keep them. What's this shoe? Oh, I know what shoe this is. Another shoe that I won. Another shoe that I won from Soul Street. Let's see if you got your sticker on here. Nope, you don't got no sticker. I won the smoke grays in the size 10. We will be raffling this off as well. So we got a size 10 and the smoke gray Air Jordan 1s. They came out last week, I believe. So yeah, that was everything that I unboxed. If I have anything else, that's pretty much it. And yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what I caught lately. And those are some things that's gonna be raffled off. This is dope. And it's glow in the dark, so this gonna be dope. But thank y'all for watching. Y'all make sure y'all leave a like. Tay Sway is out of here. Peace.